Hello students, welcome to the 7th session of C programming. In previous session, we have studied the first translator, that is assembler. So assembler is used to translate middle level language or assembly language into machine language. In today's session, we will see the second translator, that is compiler. In that, we will study what is compiler and different uses of compiler. So let's start with this session. Now we will study second type, that is compiler. A compiler is a computer program that translates the instructions written in high-level language to executable machine language. So as you know, computer can only understand machine language. So if you are writing instructions in high-level language, that instruction should be converted into machine language by using compiler. So when you translate instructions into machine language, it is called as object code. The process of transferring high-level language instructions into object code by using compiler is a lengthy and complex process as compared to assembler. Compilers have automatic capabilities to generate error messages if some mistakes are there while writing the instructions using high-level language. When you translate the instructions using compiler and if mistake is found in instructions after compiling, that mistake should be corrected whenever needed and the instructions has to be compiled again. The process is repeated until the instructions are free from mistakes and then translated to an object code. When instructions are error-free, then you can execute that object code in computer. So now we will see what are the job of compiler. The first one, compiler is used to translate high-level language instructions into machine codes. That means instructions written in high-level language will be converted into machine language. Second one, compiler is used to trace variables in the program. So variables are basically used to store the information. That information can be numbers, alphabets, words, etc. So to check this information stored in variables in proper format, compiler is used. There are different types of variables available depend on what information is stored in variable. We will see these different types of variables in detail in upcoming sessions. Third one, compiler is used to include linkage for subroutine. Linkage is used to combine two or more object codes. What is linkage? We will see in detail in the next session. Fourth one, compiler is used to allocate memory for storage of program and variables. So compiler is also used to tell where exactly the instructions or program and variables should be stored in the computer. Fifth one, compiler is used to generate error messages if there are errors in the program. So whenever you make mistakes while writing the instructions and when you compile those instructions, compiler will tell that you have made mistakes while writing the instructions by giving the appropriate message. High-level languages such as C, C++, and Java uses the compilers to convert the instructions. To translate C programming language instructions, we can use different types of compilers such as Turbo C, GCC, C-Lang, Portable C, Tiny C. So till now we have studied two types of translator. First one, assembler, which is used to translate the assembly language into machine language. And second one, that is compiler, which is used to translate the high level language into machine language. So that's it for today's session. In next session, we will see the third translator, that is interpreter.